Greetings all. Today I Pankaj Sharma of BBA 6th semester is going to give a presentation on impact of technology on international businesses. Introduction. The field of foreign affairs and diplomacy has always been looking to embrace novelty in aspects of communication and dissemination of information rightfully due to sensitive nature of communication and contact. In the 1840, then British Foreign Minister Lord Palmerston, upon receiving his first telegram, exclaimed, "By God, that is the end of the diplomacy," means the end of the uh, politics. Evolution of communication and information technology. Technology has been central to the discipline of international relations throughout its history. Technology has upgraded from messengers to telegrams, telegrams to telegraph, telegraph to phone calls to emails, and emails to social media, and now video conferences. Evolution of communication and information technology. In the past few decades, there has been tremendous change in the information technology around the world. The internet itself has become a mass social phenomenon rather than a technological one. Throughout history of international affairs, science and technology has been a defining factor in the evaluation of security and war fighting strategies among nations. Communication technology has become a tool that carries socially constructed values, opinions, and expectations. Evolution of international relations with information securities. Diplomacy is the major instrument of dialogue between nations. For every sovereign nation, both technology and diplomacy are essential tools for managing international relations, the essence of which is protecting national security and projecting national power. In the modern world of today, technology is so infinitely embedded in national priorities and international equations that it has become an inseparable content of international relations and diplomacy. The internet and the world wide web has reached the point when nobody can afford it to ignore it at their own loss. Advantages of information technology on international relations. Concept of diplomacy using Twitter for diplomatic interaction. Assistant towards the formulation of policy is reducing the possibility of objective foreign policy choices, economical and cost cutting. Creating the linkage between domestic foreign spheres, influencing public opinion, determine the public view on foreign policy issues. IT has become an agent of diplomacy. Role as an agent of legitimacy. Rapidness of information. Life, blood of negotiation. Important role in maintaining international peace and security. That's what IT is playing an important role. There are some disadvantages of information technology on international relations. These are insecurity, incapacity of maximizing technology, cyber crimes, challenging state authority, and add additional constraint on state sovereignty, changing nature of warfare, namely terrorism. Development of IT and South Asia. ICT has created equal platform to all players in the international area, not wide-standing hard power inequalities that exist between countries. This is especially relevant to countries such as Sri Lanka, where geographically the countries are outsized by superpowers in the region. Here are the development of IT in South Asia contradiction. Here in Jan 2014, internet penetration by region has been shown, and here on Jan 2014, social penetration by region has been shown in the photo. Power of IT for South Asia in information international relations. India among was top 10 countries in digital diplomacy. Despite a modest budget in public diplomacy, the External Affairs Ministry Facebook page with more than 1.2 million followers has become second only to the US State Department among foreign ministries in the world. This includes the Ministry Companion page, diplomacy, which alone accounts for some 8 lakh 50,000 followers. Information provided by Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Government of India, 2016. Power of IT and US South Asia in international relation contradiction. In a Sri Lankan example, after the historical defeat of LTTE, the Sri Lankan Ministry of External Affairs had to come to terms and react to the propaganda that was instituted by a pro LTT factions in cyberspace with their own counteractive campaigns. These challenges posted by ICT should not be perceived as an obstacle but should look as opportunities to create awareness and for reputation management. In other words, these challenges could be transformed into attractions, increasing the soft power of the country. Thank you.